Hello again. Today I'm gonna do the next BI challenges. We finished yeah 80 for now, and I'm not sure how many I will do today as they get more difficult. Still, target should be 20, so let's see and just start with the interchange position, which sounds like text manipulation maybe. Or what? Interchange the position of first with second, third with fourth. Mhm. Okay. Well, I think there's something you can do with the sequence rows that right, and if you divide by 2 and round up, I guess, now I can do sort after them, and then inside I can sort for different values. So let's just say, let's just do let A be that, B is that. Um, Maybe I should take rows out as well. So let's just say, I don't know, that. Whoops, I forgot a comma there. So I have rows that, this all is that as well. Right, not that, it's A. So let's check B for now. Looks not good. Because why? Rows is 10 sequence. Oh, and I round up A. I'm so confused. A, B, round up A. Ah, because I'm dividing by 2 again, of course. Ah, stupid. That happens if you just copy around. So now I can sort by. Oh, I'm taking the wrong one, which doesn't matter, I guess, but it's fine. Sort by this. A. That's a good start. Sort by B and I guess by minus A or something. So that looks good. Okay, so we have a stable sort, and the first one pretty much just keeps it as it is. Well, technically doesn't even need it here, but yeah, we sort for 1, 1, 2, 2, and so on. That keeps those inside again, or everything is the same, and then inside each group we just turn it around. So that is quite easy. Reverse word. If it's really just a reverse, maybe it's a it's no. Reverse the words in the string. Okay. Well, let's just let A is text split. That sort by A by minus sequence columns. Columns A. And then we can text join. Then we can map lambda W. This is W and looks good. Next is generate output. Oof. Generate output is always, well, general. And so, what? General. Ah, okay, so we group D as nothing. Makes sense, I guess. Okay, then I would probably just make the easiest option. So let A as text before. This, this, and I can do match end. So now my D doesn't, well, match end, not match mode. So now my D doesn't error out. Then we can do B, and here it's text after. It's the same, but here I want to if not found again. This no, if not found I want nothing, right? So B, yeah, looks good. And now we can just group by concat pretty much with, I guess, array to text. So group by A, B, array to text, 0, 0. That's it. Oh, it's supposed to be unique. Apparently, are there more than 2B? Yeah, okay, it's supposed to be unique. Then we do lambda W array to text unique W. Okay. Also quite easy. Pascal case to snake case. Okay. So I have to. Okay. So if it's not a start, right? So let's just do something for now. Not extract, regex, replace. I can replace anything large. Of course, I need to do it like that. I can replace that with an underscore and again the same one, right? Uh, okay, because I don't have a bracket around my capture group doesn't work, of course. So yeah, but I don't want it in the beginning. So either I just, well, take starting from the second position, or we think a bit more if it's not there, right? So I don't want the start. Can I do a negative look behind? I don't actually know. Yes, that works. Okay. Good. So then let's check. This is not easily see, but it looks good. Yeah, okay, good. Nice. Okay, if we continue with its speed, we might finish all 20 again. But I assume some are just getting difficult. What do we have here? Columns A list down subjects taught by female male teachers. Find the subject with female teachers. What? Which female teachers teach what male don't teach and vice versa. Mary. Subject. Okay. Well, good. I would probably. How do I want to do it? We can just concat and, well, I just do it like that first. Group by that array to text, right? Then I have them all concatenated. I don't need totals. And now I can let a. And we could just replace everything, or we can split that, right? So let's, I guess, yeah, let's B is drop a 1. B is just those. And now I can, well, let's just do it the easy way. So E is at B, and I can text split that. So text split at B with a comma. Then D is text split index B2 with a comma. Not sure if the 2 is enough. I don't think so. Yes, it's not, because this is still an array. So now we got it. And now I can, well, filter pretty much. So do I need to do it twice? I guess so. So let's just say E is filter C, where X is now X match C and D. So that should be what? Huh? Interesting. That doesn't. What? Ah, shit. Huh? Dropping. Oh, because I'm stupid. There we go. Now E should be yes. So we can unique that. If you just confirm stuff like enter when with an add, it puts an add in the beginning from time to time, which is just annoying. But yeah, this is now DE. Then we have to switch those around DC F. And now we can just I think we H stack take a 1 and then we V stack array to text E and array to text F. Looks good. Okay. Probably there's a smarter solution, but that is, it's more like I need to get a little bit up to speed with English, like thinking in English, because it's not what I usually do. Yeah. Align the names under the respective cities. Okay. Well, I have unique. I can filter these. Okay, I just do it like that. reduce nothing over unique. Unique. Wanted us to make it actually unique. Lambda IC H stack. Well, we need a drop in the beginning. Drop H stack I with filter. Technically, do I need it like that? I don't need H stack, right? Well, I think I'm not sure what is more performant. I could use also expand, but let's just do H stack. Filter name where city equals C, right? And then we just do something like that. I want to drop the first one. That looks good. Oh, I want to, of course, vstack. Um, vstack C with that. Good, that is that. And now I can just do if now, nothing. Here you could probably also expand. So instead of vstack, I could expand I and count the columns pretty much plus one. But I think it is probably more efficient. Well, I'm not sure, but at least it's faster for me now. Highest growth. Hence region here. Where and when the growth was the highest. What? Mm-hmm. So it's always NEW, no, but it's sorted by year. So I want to do just the okay. Hmm. Well, is there a good idea? Do I have a good idea? I don't think so. Hmm. Well, let's just do it for one, and then we can do that. So let I don't know, no filter whatever this I don't need that. This where this equals this. Okay, now it's sorted, so let I can say B is drop a 1 and then I can also, do I need that? Probably not. Do I V-stack? I don't need it, but it's probably making it a little bit easier. If I drop the first one, I drop the last one. And now I can, whoops. I did not close the V-stack. Oh, of course I don't need the year, that makes not a lot of sense. But it's the year which with the growth rates, that's okay, I guess, but I don't think that I need it like that. So let's just also drop one, drop one column. Maybe I should probably make another variable. Drop a minus 1, 1, c, 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 and b. And that made no sense to, well, it makes sense if I don't drop the, the row. So like that maybe. Now I have b and I have c, which again, because I don't drop anymore now. That is a little bit bad now, but okay, I can do by. Is that what am I doing? I'm confused again. I need to work on that. I can't seem to work like that. in my brain. So I have B, which is, what am I actually? 1 year minus sales in previous year. Sales in 1 year minus sales in previous year. Okay. Divided by B. I guess. Let's take actually the example where I can see it. 40, yeah, looks good. And I want to take some max, right? Or I can just not and just stack the year again. So let's just do it. H stack. I guess I want the region. So take A. Take A1. I want to stack the year, which is that, and I also need this part. So probably just, huh, yeah, okay. I can just do it. It's fine, I guess. So this is also that. Yes, no, I can't say if now. This is not a good idea or good solution. I guess there are so many more cleaner or many cleaner versions. I don't know. And if our no, it's just whatever minus 99. And I want to just do that stack. Take the highest. Okay, I guess that's good. So reduce nothing with unique. This lambda I see. This is C. This is C. This is C. So should they work? Yep. Nope. Okay. It's just a V stack. I. What? Hmm. I'm filtering that. Because I have more than one C, right? So that's stupid. D. D, D, D. Okay, better. And now I'm filtering the one where this is apparently the highest, right? So the max is 0. So we go. Okay. So then we can just go to the start, let A, and we can say filter. No, let's just do BS drop A 1. I guess -1. No, that makes no sense. 1 B filter drop B1 where take B -1 equals max of the same take B -1. And since I dropped this one, now we're good. That was probably overcomplicated. What? Tabula recta. Let's see. Oh god, okay. That looks okay, I guess. Generates the okay, let's just say so I know that sequence 10, no, 26, I guess. 26 plus sequence 26. What do I get? That looks good. So now I can do 64 plus, no, 63 because I have 2. And that is car. Oh, okay. Yes, so that's not working because I'm doing too much and this is, oh, it's supposed to start at A again. So then I can just mod, right? So let's just do 0, 0, 0, mod, oh god, mod 26, and then we can 65 plus. Ciao. That looks decent. That's it. Perfect. I was first thinking for going make array, but that's not necessary. Odd number of times. Okay. Let's see. That's the number which occur odd number of times. Okay. Text split. This by comma. Minus minus. I don't need because it's just about occurrence, right? So let's let a lot of different options I do think. But is there something I want to do particular? No. Then let's just make it the easiest way or easy way for me now. Group by a row 0, 0. Then I can do, well, for now we can do it like that. Now I can filter where those are not even, right? So I can just say B, and then I can say filter take B1 where drop B1, and now it needs to be a number. But it is a number because I'm taking the rows. So is, and it's an array, so is uneven, is odd. Like that probably. Yeah, and then we can array to text. So we can map that lambda w. So this will maybe return an error. So we can handle that like this, and we're good. So force transaction. Let's see. Machine ID. Finds the forced breakdown date of machines only if total number of breakdowns larger than 4. What? Ah, okay. Then I can just group by that, I guess. That lambda w large w4. I think 0, 0, and if I know. Oh, what? The find the fourth. What? I'm a bit confused because it's not so. It doesn't matter, right? Breakdown. It finds the fourth breakdown date of machines only if total number of breakdowns is larger than 4. Let's see why. Which date is that? Well, it's the 13th of August. I should be able to sort, right? I don't know how to sort with shortcuts here. So let me. That was stupid, but this looks sorted. So am I? Why am I getting? I'm grouping by that large 4. Small. That's why I'm stupid. But I have to. Okay, so that was stupid. If rows W larger 4, then this is. Okay, yeah, there we go. So my issue was I took large, but I wanted the smallest, right? So I wanted the forced value in order, so that's why it was wrong. But yeah, that works. Nice. EN, EAN. Check them, okay. Oh god, that is a lot of text. Provide a formula to list down a valid EVN. Okay, let's just do it like that. So take the first 12, so let A is left, just 12. Sum all digits at odd position. Okay, so B is mid. Mid I sequence 5. Start 1 B. 7 wait. Oh I'm already confused. Start step. My god. Okay, that looks better. So then we have the sum of that, so I probably can just sum minus minus. B. Sum all digits at even position, multiply by 3 the right of. Okay, so then let's just say takes the sequence S. S. This is S. Then I want the even one is again some. Well, technically I can just do it 3 times mid A plus 1 1 C. Okay. Use I should really use better names, but it's okay. 72 takes the last digit of the answer. Takes the last digit of the answer of step 4. Okay, so right, I guess. Is right D. If this is 0, then the checksum. Okay, my headset just went out, so let's see. Well, it takes the last digit. Okay, so if this is 0, then the checksum. What? Unit? I don't understand what he says. Takes the first 12, takes the last digit digit of the answer 4 steps. If this is 0, then this is 0. Okay. Okay. Okay, so times 1. Well, technically it's better, I guess. If E, I want 10 minus E. Otherwise I want 0. This has to be the right one, which it's not. So what am I missing? Take the first 12 digits. Sum all digits at odd position, sum all digits at even. Multiply by 3 of sum at even position. I'm doing that. Sum the results of step 2 and 3. Takes the last digit of the answer of step 4, which is the sum. I'm taking the last one. If this is 0, if this is 0, then 0, so E. If that's not 0. Result of step 5 is checksum. I don't get it. Why step 5 if that is step 6? The checksum digit has to be equal to 13th digit for valid enum. I'm not sure what he wants from me. I think I'm gonna go here. Julian did something. I don't want it like that. I just want and that. True. So I want to check what this is. That is 6 for him. Let's just give out R. R. So right, sum is odd, sum is even. Sum is odd. So that is my F. Here's B. Huh? Oh shit, because I'm using 5 instead of 6. I'm so stupid. Ah, God damn it. Equals, right, that is 1. Okay, so that was quite stupid. So to call off map that lambda lam, lambda w w divided by w 2. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so yeah, using the hard sequence number and then fucking that up. That is of course a good time waster. But okay, so let's see. Find the average cost between the pair of cities. Hmm. Sorting of pair needs to be in alphabetic order, hence it has to be Oslo, Zurich, not Zurich, Oslo. Average cost. Okay, well, I can just say, good, let's say let A is if Z is larger than that, I want that and that. But H stack, of course, flip. H stacks that. Otherwise, H stack, no, I don't need H stack otherwise. So like that. Looks good. Now group by hey, average. No, but I thought final cost on average. Okay, so that is a minus. Nice. Triangle draw. Okay, that looks easy. Different ways, I guess. So let's just say if sequence that is less. Then that is I need an equal. Then just do it like that. Of course not. So let's just say a1, a1, a1 minus 1, like that, and then I need an equals. Oops. Equals, and now I can if this, then this, or I can wrapped. Oh. Yeah, that looks good. 7, 4, yeah, okay. Wrapped is a nice function for stuff like that. Okay, so middle words extract. Extract the middle words in oh, I'm pretty sure there's a way to do it with regex where you just count how many, but I don't know that. So let's just make it easy. Oh, we can probably want it map all. Lambda w let A is text split w that. Then I want B is column, no, index A columns. Oh, I have to take it out because if henceforth, but here I can see it's even, so there's nothing, so there's no middle. Then V is columns of A. If is even, B then nothing else, index A, B divided by 2. And plus 1 apparently, because it runs down. Oh, or plus B is less than 2. Okay. Huh? Okay, so again I should read. Then if it's even, okay, got it. If it's less than 3, I want nothing. else if it's even. Okay, if it's less than 3, then nothing. If is even b, then I want divided by 2. Index I want plus minus, right? But I think I should just round. So int plus, then I have to concat it, plus 0, 1, I guess. Otherwise, I can just say int index int b divided by 2 plus 1, like that. And now I have to concat text join. Yes, okay. If I don't text join, this will return an array and I get a calc error because map can't give out 2 results in that case, which makes sense. Okay. Okay. Filter everything. Where answer what? Finds a number of rows. Okay. Well, sum is minus by row. That equals that or oh, stupid. Okay. So then now it doesn't work as easy anymore because I didn't check properly, but that's fine. Lambda w and then I can or find the number of rows in the grid where at least once. Okay, then let's just X match that in W, and I need an and is number, and is number. Yeah. This is saying, well, saying is the wrong word, but this decides how large the output is. If all of them are number, all of them were found in W, which is 1 row, and with and I can just, yeah, if all are true, then it's fine. Good point. SLA calculation. Why was it called so weird? I have to check one more thing. No. Okay. This this looks actually not so easy. The TAT. Calculate the TAT. It's a different. What TAT is difference in hours between A2 and B2 weekends that need to be excluded. Holidays needs to be excluded. Only time between start time and time given. Hello. Network hours. I actually don't know anymore. In, out, start, and weekend. No, that does not look good. I can't remember. That is not good that I don't remember how to use this. That is sad. Okay. So I wanted to cheat. That doesn't work. Um, hmm. No, I don't think I want to do that. I hate date and times. And I've done that often enough when I did, for example, Brazilian cases. Do I want to do it? Technically, I can. Well, bah. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Like that minus that, right? Hmm. That is probably format 60. That's even wrong. Why is that wrong? Time before 9 a.m. and time after. That's why. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's just do it. Let's see. Um, Time, so I can, I guess, mod. I'm not sure what I want to do here. Mod 1, right? So that is time, let A. But let start be mod. Then I want to take the max of 9 and start. That looks okay. I guess that's a real start. So RS or something, I don't know, for the starting date. Then I want end. And is also mod. That one real end, also real end, I don't know, is min of. Oh, I have to check if the date. Huh. Ah, that's already wrong, I think, but it's fine. Let's see, 18 and end 3. Okay, so in this case, I could probably just re minus rs. And if we take that, yeah, so that is okay. But if the date, okay, then let's just do that. The end date is probably never holiday because it can't be, right? Can it be? It can't be, I guess. Makes no sense. Then let's say, I don't know, sequence of no, let's do it differently. Let's start time, I don't know, start date is int that, end time is int. STD is the wrong abbreviation, I think, but it's fine. Sequence ETD minus STD. Do I need a +1? I'm doing it. STD. So I don't get an error, which is fine. And if I have only one row now, that is okay. But technically what I have to do is I have to filter out everything which is, so dates, let's just do it like that. Filter dates where is number x match dates in that, I guess. Huh? Is NA. I want to keep that. Perfect. That looks good. And now I need to check if it's or. Do I have any of the start dates? Is any of the start dates equals to row? Yes. So, but it's only start dates, I guess. Yes. Okay, so now I guess I just, I don't know, rel. I guess row is rows rel minus 1 row. Yeah, it's 0, so I want, so 9 9 times row plus if, no, I'm having the start dates inside. Do I have the start? No. I have start and end date, so that is not right. I have start and end date. So technically if um hmm, if row if it's only one, I'm on the same date, right? If it's only one, I'm on the same date. So then I can probably say, I can just say etd minus std because it's 0. Oh no, if it's 0. What? I'm so confused. Row. Yeah, okay, so now row equals 0. Why? So wrong. Because yeah, now I'm taking the dates, and which is again stupid. I'm making myself a little bit confused here. So re and res, yes. If that is 0, I want just the minus part. If now I have to check because if this is the starting time, if start equals that, or right, if any of them, then I can't count the first date, but I have to take, let me think, if I'm can't take the starting date, I have to take the next date, I guess. I don't know. Row times 9, row minus 1, I guess, times 9 hour. And else I have row, no, row times, I don't know why I did brackets there, but it's fine, plus rs plus re. I think that is wrong, that is a lot. What? Yes. So why? Oh, probably not. What's the issue? Oh god, I have to log again. Yeah, so let's see if anything is correct afterwards. Oh, way too much. How can that? Ah, because holiday. Fuck. Weekends are also excluded, of course. Filter that or times weekday dates 2 is smaller than 6. That is making a lot of sense. So here I'm now negative. So I'm okay at some, but not all. This is of course if error. Yeah, if error, I just want nothing. What? Oh, copy down. Okay, so I'm still having too much because I'm starting here, have a day, because it's one day, right? So, no, it's the start time, it's not my actual, yeah, that was stupid, of course. RS minus 9, let's just do it. Minus 9 and minus 3 plus. Oh shit. Oh god. If I have my start, that is wrong. No, that is wrong, yeah. That is 9. What am I doing here? So let's see. So I have RS, which is just my starting time. So for that, if it's my starting time, I need 18 minus that, I guess. Plus 18 hours minus RS. And then I need the ending time. I'm so confused. I hate it with time, I really do. If this is my starting time and this is the end, like I need the time until 18. It's fine. If it's the end, I need the time from starting time to 18 or to end time. So plus RE minus RS. I have no clue. Okay, this is sad. This is actually sad. 1 maybe. No, I'm just guessing, which doesn't help. Well, okay, so we are not really close, I think. So I don't get it. Let's say this is out or whatever. We have yeah, which is shit. This is out. 10:45. It's the end, yeah. And then I have the start, which is RS 11. So for start, it's just minus 9. This is how long. No, that's completely wrong. Is it? It's wrong. It's 18 minus that. It's 18 minus RS or end, but I have the end already. So that is work time start pretty much. I don't know, work time start. And now I want work time end. So I have RE, which is this. It's 10:45 and now I have minus start, which is 9. Work time end. Work time end. Work time end. WTFE. Okay, that's how I feel. Now I want to see row. Row is 1, I guess. Yes, I have 1 row because it's just 1 day. I have row minus 1. If it's all. Here's also row minus 1. I don't know yet, but that is from 9 to 18 is okay. VTS plus VTE. And I want out. And I want... Okay. Better. And now this is here. No. Minus, I guess, no. Minus 18 because it's not the same day. Okay. What do we have here? Well, it's 1. Because... Why? Oh, because weekend probably, okay. But still interesting. I don't know. What is the date? Date. What? Monday, so Saturday, Sunday. That's by 2:30. Got it. Okay, I don't have it if the weekend is okay. Or SCD or weekday CD 2 is larger than 5. Okay. So now if it's either or, can't take that at all. This is an issue because now I only have the date. So row 0, so I'm here. That's the issue now. Because I'm not checking if the start date or anything is a weekday. Is a weekend. So technically I need to check before. Okay, makes sense. If if it's a weekday or if it's this, I don't know. I guess I have to check later because if I check this first, this is important, right? So this works. Okay, I'm done. So I'll take that. I hate dates. I'm sorry for that, but I'm not in the mood anymore to do that. So that took longer than I wanted. Let's see. We can now still finish the 20, but what a waste of time that one is. Well, what? Well, I think with the number sizes we have here, I can just do the sequence. So let A is or S is sequence from that minus that plus 1. Start here. I can map. Oh wait. Is odd. Is odd. If is odd. This or is even. No, I take this plus is even. I guess that's it. What? I don't need this anymore. Makes perfect sense. So yeah, and now I only need to do that divided by 2, I guess. Divided by 2, and I need the step also to be 2. Then I only have the uneven and looks good. And now I only have to check if all the letters are unique, I guess. Do I want to map that? No, let's just say regex tests s, and then I want anything which is not again. That doesn't work because yes, So 9, which I have 10, because 11 is what? Again, my regex leaves me. This should not. I have something, and I don't want to have that one again. Void /d. Hä? Why? No, because it's a number. No, makes no sense. What? I am having a number and I don't want the same number again. So if I'm, yes, so that is of course working. Here it does work. So if I do that, what? Okay, I don't understand it. I guess I really don't understand regex from time to time. But okay, let's just not, or 1 minus. And then we can, well, I can just say some 1 minus, I guess. Some, yeah. Okay, I could map that, but that works. Combinations for some. Okay. Okay. Find two numbers which when sum gives the sum as in column C. Is this how I've picked up the first occurring answer, for example? Yeah. Well, okay. To call is that plus to call that. So I have one issue here, or to call to row, that I have the number in the middle where it's always the same, right? So I don't want that times 1 minus mu init 9, I guess. So then now I can say if all of that equals that, I want to have those both. So let's say let A, B is to row A, then I have A, then I have B. And now I say this is A and plus B, right? Maybe no. Perfect. And now it's always, what does it say? Second, it doesn't say that they should be in order. If they should be in order, then we don't need the unit. We could do it differently. So for now, that would be to call to and concat or array to text. And then we can map that lambda W. This is W. Looks good. If I don't want that, I can say ifs, then A is larger than B. A is larger B, for example. Then we don't have that, or smaller, then it's in the right order. Yeah, okay. Nice. Continuous growth. Growth. Okay. Lists the companies which have positive annual growth rate during all 3 periods and the average annual blah, blah, blah. Don't have so just positive years. Okay. So I can just do the same we did before, right? I can let a, what am I doing? Okay. Filter that where that equals whatever, let's say A. Now I drop, wait, do I drop? Yeah, I drop a 1 B and I C drop a -1 and I do C divided by B. And I don't see the example here, but C4 looks okay, I guess. And I want, well, all of them to be positive, right? So larger 0. And if that is, I want the average. So D, if, and I want H stack B2 and average D. That is a lot. Divided by whatever. Is it not average? It is average. Is it not? -1. Wait, I'm not calculating properly again, I guess. E B is 340 and C. Yeah, 200 minus or -1. But why? Wait, what am I doing? I'm doing C. Oh, I'm dividing wrong way around. Ah, my God. E. Better. And now we can just reduce. No. Reduce those two. Whoops. Okay. Reduce those about unique, not Unicode. Unique company. Lambda IC. If is an A at A, then I want E, otherwise B stack E. Ouch, and now I don't want to use that, I want that, and it's again CC, right? Ah, shit, because I'm using C again. I need to think about that. Okay, this is just format, right? Apparently not. T is not format? Format, okay. Good, and I think last one, vowel replacement. If it's really just vowel replacement, then it should be quick. I guess. Okay, ist gleich regex replace this. I want a vowel, right? So I want A, E, I, O, U, slash K. Then I want a lot of not A, I, E, O, U. And I want to replace that. Does not work again, I guess, with 1. Yeah, it's the same slash K. Yeah, I want each of them. Ah, okay. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. No. Ah, I'm just matching 1. If I want all of them as A. I don't know. Let's just do it differently. Let regex, doesn't matter. One scan, I guess. Nothing with and then I can say, I don't know, let me see. If I or I equals A A B, no, E, I, O, U. Then I want no. If it's if it's not that I want, then I want if C is either them, I want C. Otherwise, I stay with I. And then I concat. And now it has to be. Oh, if or why? Oh, shit. Okay, I did not read the question. I thought I'm just repeating, so that of course makes no sense what I did. Okay. That's stupid. A I E O U. Okay, Excel. Ooh. Always next smaller. Okay. Stupid. I can't read, not even in those questions. Okay. So let's just say B is code of A. Math law, I guess. Don't need that. Do I need that? No. I can just do mod, right? B. C is mod B 32. Oops. Let's see. Okay, looks proper. And then I can also do that mod 32. And I want that here. And now we can just VLOOK up C and that. And concat. But of course, again, if I do it like that, it's not the right capitalization, as you can see here. So I have to take, if code is larger, then I can just upper, for example. So if B is larger than, let's just say 92 or 96, then I want upper, lower, whatever. Oh, that does not work. I'm pretty sure it used to work for Z as a scalar. I could probably map it, but okay. That's it's so interesting to me that that doesn't work anymore. We look up. If anyone knows why it doesn't work, like if this is a scalar, it should work, I think. But then I can just say D and here it's upper D. Apparently it's not. Oh, because that. Yeah, different way around, obviously. But that looks good. So let's see if it works when we make it a little bit different. So upper, lower as a function, and I want to call that on the map B lambda W if W. Then I want upper for that. What? Map lambda if W. Oh, and that is also wrong because I don't. I have to map both D, W, and Q. That works. Yeah, so this is what I mean. It's weird. If it's a scalar, it works. If it's not a scalar, it doesn't work. At least for me now. But yeah, so that took longer than I expected, and I didn't finish the SLA calculations. I was close, but I didn't finish it, so shame on me. But thanks for watching, guys, and let me know if you have any suggestions, for example, how to solve stuff with the regex. Yeah, thank you.